Hi, I'm Laurel. This is my 2019 Triumph Scrambler 900. Just got it. So in love. So it's time to put some bags on it. Well, one bag because I got the exhaust on the other side. And we have this lovely bag from Viking. Haven't opened it yet. It's the 10-liter Incognito. So come with me while we open it up, check it out, install it, see if it works with the tail tidy. It's a good size. It's bigger than I thought. Let's see. Sturdy. It's, I don't know, hard and soft at the same time. Definitely has a form and a structure. Here's the 3-point quick release. Little drawstring thing. Cool. Handle to carry. Oh, there's a tab at the top and the bottom, so maybe it goes into like a backpack mode. That would be awesome. This would be a perfect size for me. I'm a 5'5" for reference. Metal buckle, feels sturdy. Velcro on the sides, a little extra seal. There's our mounting rack. Yes, so there's a dry bag inside. This whole dry bag just velcros out, so you can take it out and wash it. So we've got a bunch of straps. Fun. It's deep. And there's a little, there's like a padded divider in the middle. So that's cool. A little zipper pocket, mesh. The key, which I love, does not lock the front. Play your odds on that, but it locks your bike and your bag together, so nobody swipes your bag. In my experience, for some reason, people don't mess with stuff in your bags. Somehow, like unwritten code, like where people don't mess with the stuff in your truck bed. I don't explain it. I don't know. If it's that valuable, take it with you. Seats off. We're messing around. I took the top part off. Because of the tail tidy, we've got a couple of adapter plates. No directions though, so not that you're gonna look at them anyways, honestly. So figuring out with the adapters which one goes where. 2 bolts up here, that's obvious. The under here part is a little complicated. So I think we gotta like the turn signal off. Got, I think, the right adapter. It's gonna go about like this. Gotta figure out where my turn signal is gonna go. Here, perhaps? I don't know if I'll actually be able to put the bag on with that in place. Also, unclear if the bag will clear my license plate since that's been moved as well. We've finagled it and it works perfectly. I'm honestly sort of shocked because there were multiple things that weren't looking so good for a minute there. But as we know from motorcycles, you just keep fiddling until it works and it's fine. It came with 2 adapters. There's this one that's more bent and then there's another one that's more straight. So the one's more straight is back in here. So it connects here, and then it's got the 2 little holes there for these guys. The turn signal was here, but because of the bar, doesn't fit. So the turn signal's up here now, which is fine, although they're like this, but honestly, I super don't care. The turn signal just barely clears the bags. Got the rack on and then tried to put the bag on before putting all of this back on, and it wouldn't go because the license plate frame was in the way. So we just went squish. So instead of being up and down, it's a little boop. But now it clears perfectly. It fits perfectly. Making it work. So you can see up close the mounting points, and then there's 2 under there that go upwards.
You can see it just barely clears. Yeah, we just gave that a little, just a little push, and it's fine. And then you can see this just clears perfectly. And then underneath, if you can see, there we go. So this is the extra plate up in here. So this one, gosh, come on, exposure. There we go. Okay, so that one, and then these are 2 plate holes. And then move the turn signal, and then the other 2 go up here, but from the top. So it's all nice and clean, looks good. And I'm going to put the seat back on and show you the final thing. Just line up 3 points. I'm sure this will get easier every time. And that's it. It's on. It's shaking the whole bike. It's on there good. We have 1 finger between the bag and the blinker. We have, I don't know, 1/4 inch between the bag and the license plate. It's fine. You can see it from the back. Out of the way. Nice. I can still use my little back rack. I think it matches really nicely, honestly. The black on black with the white. It looks good. I don't know these straps. I'm not sure what they go to or for. This is what I'm day with it. Yeah, and then to take it off, there's a little pull string or there's a little tab. So just pull and pull. The trick to this is, I was thinking you would go straight up, but the mount's gonna go, so you're gonna go slide up. So it's funny when you know how something works, it's so much easier. So either the drawstring or the latch, I think it's just for whatever's easier, or maybe if gloves on, it's easier to get the latch. Pull, and then go side, and then up. And I think also it's, new. So as it wears in, it'll get easier. But yeah, you can see, instead of just straight up, we'll side it up at the same time. So yeah, there's the lock. And to get to the lock, you go inside, not inside the bag, but you undo the waterproof bag, removable, and there's the lock. So I'll probably lock that on there and then never touch it again. Great, but I'm excited because, man, not nowhere to store anything is a hard life. Even if it's just like a water bottle for later, or a drink, or you're out and you buy something you weren't expecting, or who knows what. The thing I had to do to get that box and all this stuff here was exciting. I just did my first little cruise. Here are some very, very initial thoughts. First of all, I immediately overfilled it. So the buckle wouldn't close. Thing I would love would be just like a little buckle extender strap. That would be great for this. I can probably make a smush, make it fit. Some you can't always, but on the plus side, you can just close the inner liner, and that's pretty secure. Like nothing's gonna come out. So if you're me, you could just whatever, as long as it doesn't fly out, I'm pretty fine with that. Second, I didn't realize that these were little reflector tabs. There's one on each side, which isn't a lot, but I don't frankly want a lot, so I'm into it. This is the 15-liter bag, not the 10. I have no idea which one I said earlier, but that's that. And I figured out how to connect the straps so they're not flappy. They have little Velcros on there, same as my camera bag, actually. So they look neat, which I'm more into. So that's all. I'll do another little bit whenever next.